Whoa. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to 2021. So, got something real special in here. Been waiting on this bad boy. Real excited. So, this is the new Hoyt board, the Hoyt Booger, and no, that's not a joke. So, we're gonna unbox it right after this. Hello? Why, yes, I would be interested in hot singles in my area. All right, welcome back. Let's get into this thing. So, real quick, Hoyt actually sent this guy over for me to review. I've got it for a couple of days, so I am gonna make the most of it. My fancy new Christmas knife. And spoiler alert, this is not the first time that this board has been unboxed, so I am getting sloppy seconds, as they say. If I can figure out how tape works. All right. Enough of that. Ooh, that is, get in here. Oh, convenient carry handle. Ooh. So, I guess I shouldn't be surprised. So this is the travel bag that all of their boards come in. And of course the Booger's no exception. I think this bag is actually specifically made for the Booger. It's a little bit smaller than the one for the EL1. And it looks like it's got the helmet strap on there and everything. Very nice. Oh, water bottle. Satchel there. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of a little basic, but you know, it gets the job done. There's a little pocket on the side here. What's in there? About that. Some fuses. Some Dread skate stickers. I wonder how those got in there. That's a little weird. Let's get all that back in there. Get to the main course. And yeah, this is just kind of a standard backpack style bag. Like, looking at this thing, you would think violin more than you would think skateboard, but this is kind of nice. Ooh. This is it. This is the main event, folks. Ooh. Yeah, let's get this out of the way so we can really show it off. Oh. Man, I just got chills. Look at that. That is fresh. What is it? I don't know how good it's picking up on camera, but this thing really is a work of art. Okay, so there's some other stuff, but in case you're wondering what the inside of the bag looks like. And it's worth noting that this is a pre-production unit that's gone out to the reviewers, so this may or may not be the final packaging, so there may be some extras in here that they didn't include with this one, so definitely check with them if you wind up getting one of these. Ooh, okay. So it looks like we got a charger here. That's interesting. They've actually switched over to the barrel jack from the XLR style plug of the plug background. It's exactly the same. I don't know what you're talking about. So looks like we got a charger, and it's a barrel jack style charger. Which is interesting. Switch over from the XLR type plug, but I like that. Non-proprietary. And it looks like it's a 4 amp. So not a fast charger, but definitely better than 2 amp. So just that there. I have no idea what things are going on here. There's that. And, yeah. So, remote. I love me some Hoyt Puck. And that's pretty much it. So, not too much going on in there, but I shouldn't be surprised. Really the standout in here again is the bag that it comes packed in. And I really like that this all kind of fits together in the shipping box. So yeah, ooh. And I cannot wait to get my feet on this thing. So swish. But that's pretty much it. So I think this is a good point to kind of end it here. Nice, short, and sweet. Want to know your thoughts and comments on this thing. Leave them down in the comments there. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you really, really like this video, maybe think about subscribing and hitting that notification icon. Stay up to date on all the latest videos. So until next time, Blade Runners, stay safe out there. Peace.